Hi everyone, this is me, your Dasha Bisali, and my channel Be Strong and Love Yourself. Today I want to make a review for this blouse. This blouse is from Simply Sewing magazine, issue number 38. This is the magazine, this is how it looks like. If you are watching me on my YouTube channel, you can find the link to this magazine below. But if you're watching me on my IGTV channel, you can go to my bio and you can find the link to my YouTube or my blog page and find the link to the magazine there. Or you can Google Simply Sewing issue 38. So here is the pattern to this blouse. I didn't make too many changes. I only changed the darts and I just moved them a little bit higher. They were too low, I think, because I'm very short. But this was the only change that I made. So my fabric, this pattern is for lightweight fabric. My fabric is a little bit more like maybe medium weight, so it doesn't look exactly the same as on the picture, and especially my bow, but I do like it this way. I think you can use fabric like that. And I bought this one in Joann's. I'm not sure if you can buy it online. I will look it up, and if I find it, I will post the link below. If you cannot find it below, then I couldn't find this fabric online. So I think that the pattern was pretty easy. It only has 2 darts on the front. On the back it's just very simple. No darts, and the design is kind of short, so you might want to make it a little bit longer, so check how you want to see it in the end. I thought that I will tug it in and wear with skirts, but when I tried to tug it in, it looks a little bit like bubble because there is a lot of ease in here, you can see. So I prefer to wear it like this, and I'm going to wear it more with shorts and with jeans, and in a casual way. And I also wanted to show you that you don't have to wear this bow like that. I like it to wear as a tie as well. So you can move it a little bit, and of course you need to iron it. But I think that as a tie it looks cute also. So you can wear it in a different way. And also I was thinking about this pattern that I might use it as a dress if I just make it a little bit longer and make sure that it fits my hips. I can make a dress, and probably I will use different fabric for the bow. So it will be, for example, white dress with red bow or something like that. And sometimes I like to make it without sleeves. Probably I will try to make it without sleeves, and just put the contrast fabric here along the line in here. The only thing that I probably would change is that the distance from here to here, not even so much my shoulders, as somewhere in here I feel like it's too tight, but it doesn't bother me too much, so I'm not going to change this one. I probably could change 5/8 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch for seam allowances, but I don't know, I think it looks great anyway. I really enjoyed working on this project, and I hope you have something joyful in your life like I have sewing. Be strong and love yourself. Love wins.